These guys get great. Used to collect this one I have part of my diecast.
Most of my customers collect these static.
Yeah, never out of the box. The detail is so great, and then it's a little larger than I want for the third.
That's the way I like it. I'm trying to collect all the Daytona and Le Mans winners. That's what everywhere I can pick one up.
This scale?
Yeah, 30 cents.
Which ones are your stores? We probably have all.
No. I have all the slotters. I have a couple of Auto Arts, the Jaguars, I have non-slotted. I have a list.
These some we don't take, right? Because I think the R89, which was the 91 or the 92
Yeah, no, nobody's done that.
No.
They haven't.
No. I think I have that in one. I have that on 143rd.
Release the hounds! You release?
Okay, it's 10 o'clock. The show is officially open. All right, I want to thank all you dealers, all you early admission people for making this show what it is and what it has been for the last 30 years. All right, thank you very much, everybody. I appreciate it. I hope to do it for another 30 years.
29 years.
29 years. So anyway, first raffle's at 11 o'clock. I have a few announcements.